The Web Almanac data suggests that SEO at a macro level moves less because of individual SEOs and more because WordPress, Shopify, Wix, or a major plugin ships a default. Canonical tags correlate with CMS growth. Robots.txt validity improves with CMS governance. Redundant index. Follow directives proliferate because plugins make them explicit. Even LLMS.txt is already spreading through plugin toggles before it even gets full consensus. This doesn't diminish the impact of SEO, it
Vid sponsor get backlinks and pages indexed fast ultimateindexing.com.
Individual practitioners still create competitive advantage, especially in advanced configuration, architecture, content quality, and business logic. But the baseline state of the web, the technical floor on which everything else is built, is increasingly set by product teams shipping defaults to millions of sites. Perhaps we should consider that if CMSs are the infrastructure layer of modern SEO, then plugin creators are de facto standards setters. They deploy best practice before it becomes doctrine. This is how it should work, but I am also not entirely comfortable with this. They normalize implementation and even create new conventions simply by making them standards that are redundant, have the ability to endure because they can. So the question is less about whether CMS platforms impact SEO. They clearly do. The more interesting question is whether we, as SEOs, are paying enough attention to where those defaults originate, how they evolve, and how much of the web's best practice is really just the path of least resistance shipped at scale. An SEO's value should not be interpreted through the amount of hours they spend discussing canonical tags, meta robots, and rules of sitemap inclusion. This should be standard and default. If you want to have an outsized impact on SEO, lobby an existing tool, create your own plugin, or drive interests to influence change in one.
Visit sponsor get backlinks and pages indexed fast ultimateindexing.com.